Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW. So today I'm in the 2019 330xi, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little about gesture control. So now there are a couple of customizable gestures. So what that means is you can actually assign a certain function to two different hand movements. Now what I mean by that is, if you'll take a look right here, if I go like that, that will actually activate the voice command. Now and that was just again a little peace sign, just like that, that will activate and then deactivate the voice command. Now I also have another custom gesture where if I go open fist, closed fist, open fist. Yep. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little practice, but you can also assign that to go to your home address, which you can store in your navigation. You can also say with the little voice command, go home, or you can just do that open, closed, open, and that will take you to your home address. You can, so you're probably saying, well, how do I change that? I don't, want the voice nav to start, or I don't want to go home necessarily. So what you're going to do is you can adjust this by going to your car menu, which is on the left-hand side of your main menu. You're going to go to Settings. I hope you guys can see the screen okay. I know it's a little crazy because it is a digital display, but we're just going to go to General Settings. You're going to go down to your gesture control, and these are your function assignments. So you have that function assignment gesture 1, which of course is a little peace sign, and function assignment 2, which is the open, closed, open fist. Now if you select, say, the peace sign, you can either set it to not have a function, you can mute current music that's playing, control display on or off, or activate your voice control. Then for your function assignment gesture 2, you can have no function, of course, notifications, or recent calls in your phone menu. Now, of course, if you find that gesture control is not for you, that is totally okay. You can just click at this very top gesture control, uncheck it, and it's not going to do anything anymore. As you can see, I'm trying to turn up my radio, trying to switch stations, open, closed, open, peace sign. It's not going to do anything. Once I turn it back on, of course, now it's going to do all the gesture controls. So it's up to you if you want it or not. And of course, I am showing you guys this gesture control on iDrive 7.0, which does come standard for the 2019 330xi. Now I know it does vary depending on the year and of course the iDrive system that you have. So if you do have the iDrive 7.0, it'll look something like this. You will have these gesture control functions. Alright guys, well thank you again so much for joining me. Again, I am Stephanie with Patrick BMW, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.